Alright guys, what's going on here? We're I said we're back with another reaction now.
Oh my gosh.
We got Dusty Locane. You ever heard of him?
Never. Never heard of him in my life.
Interesting.
We're gonna find out.
Alright, so we're gonna run up. We're just gonna run it up. If you're new to the reaction channel, what we do here is on the video you give it a 1 through 10, or on the lyrics of the artist himself 1 through 10, or you can call crump for.
Alright.
I just had to go get it. Look. Said I'ma make bail tonight. I'ma cause hell, I might. Roll through the city, bad little bitty. She gave me head on sight.
What do you mean?
Like, bruh.
That shit not too bad, bro. I'm fucking with the intro, and this shit ready to be off like a banger.
Who's he sound like?
Pop Smoke. Immediate thought. Immediately.
I'm with them killer niggas, come and talk to me. You could try to walk with me, but you can't step in my shoes. I'ma clear the room, I'ma go boom. I got the anger, pain.
Oh yeah.
Champagne, 30 shots. Crowd the whole damn spot. I got a soul and they controlling, doing what I do. Breaking rules, Mike.
Wow. What'd you think about that?
You fucking with it?
I'm fucking with it.
What? You don't think it's you don't think it's too big of a knockoff?
Nah, I mean he sound like almost like exactly like him for real, like almost, bro. Like I know he got his own thing and he has his own like.
Shut the fuck up!
Exactly, bro. That's what I'm thinking.
What?
Yeah, to see you later. Turn the vapor, Alexander McQueen. That's what I rock on my feet, but I could throw in that Dior. Give me more than he means. I could throw in that Supreme, but don't wait past that. Where your stash at? Lift him up, make him bleed. Ain't no rap cap.
Let me go hard.
Let me pull up in your dreams. Kick a cash out. Let me have.
Nah, you can't. You can't. You can't. The guys dance.
Oh my gosh, this is big bootleg.
Yeah, you can't. Like, that's fake.
Yeah, that's definitely fake, bro. Like, King of New York.
Cushion Dior.
Exactly, bro. I'm like, bro, that's big of me. Like,
my man took the whole dance.
I'm trying to give him benefit of the doubt.
No, I'm not. He took the whole dance.
He doing.
He took the whole dance.
Yeah, that's flat.
Little piece, the heat 6 degrees. I'm dirty rolling from the club, and I can surely get you shot. Don't play to the cops, and now you turn to a stain up. I can see everything I need. It's all right in front of me. I just gotta grab and reach. Pussy nigga try to play with me. He ain't deceased. Might be married for the jeans. Stay 10 toes, won't fold. Bow, 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 bow.
Yeah.
What? Grrr, pow, 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 pow.
I know. That's crazy, bro. Sounds exactly like him, man.
He took all the ad-libs. He did everything. He took the dance.
He trying to do his own thing, but like
I don't
that's too much of the same thing, bro.
Alright, so for the song, I got balls in my denim. Alright, so it's what do you give the song? 1 through 10.
Bro, I'm gonna give it a 7, bro. I heard too much Pop Smoke, but I also fucked with it. I fucked with what he got to say, and I think that shit, like, you know, he do go hard, and he probably definitely upcoming.
At the music video, 1 through 10.
Music video was a banger. I fucked with it the whole way through.
It's a 6.
You think? Why 6?
What'd he do?
What'd he do?
Yep.
I mean, I don't know. I just thought he was hard as shit, and then
I got
bow,
bow, bow.
Yeah, I know.
Pardon me?
Yeah, pardon me. I know. Oh my.
Alright, so whoa, don't ever bump me again.
What are you talking?
Alright, so this is what I'll say. Like, subscribe, comment.
This is the end of the video.
Boom!
So,
Like, subscribe, comment, do what you do best. Journal wherever you get lost. If you're not in my wave, you're in the wrong wave. You can get up out of here with all of that. How many likes?
Gotta be at least, let me see, 100.
What?
Let me see 100 likes.
I didn't know I was Elon Musk.
No, you 100 likes.
Alright, 100 views and you'll be on the next one.
How many views?
100 views.
100 views. That's it. That's what I'm